Good morning and welcome to another Aeronautical Data Systems tutorial. Today we will be demonstrating the use of a new iPhone iPad app called the Pressure and Time Manager, or simply the PT Manager. This simple program converts pressure, otherwise referred to as PSI, into time or better yet, time remaining in a gaseous system. This application applies to any gas under pressure, but in today's demo, we'll be looking at an oxygen system and oxygen pressure. The app is simple to use and very simple to understand, so let's get started. After you download the app onto your device from the Apple Store, touch the PT Manager icon to open the app up to be used. There are only 3 inputs needed to start the program. First is the cylinder size in cubic feet. This is required so the program will know the cylinder capacity in total liters. Today we're using oxygen. The medical industry uses another metric to define cylinder size using an alphanumeric system. This green icon to the right of the entry box will open a small directory where the user can insert an oxygen alphanumeric number. This bottle size is automatically inserted. This is an added convenience for medical oxygen users, but for today's tutorial, we'll insert a 22 cubic foot bottle. Next is the flow rate. The user must know the total flow impact in the oxygen capacity. For a single user, this is easy, but on systems with multiple users, the individual flow rates must be totaled and inserted here. Today, our total flow rate will be 10 liters per minute. Finally, the last entry is the PSI, or system pressure in pounds per square inch. This is generally read off a pressure gauge located on the oxygen cylinder. Simply insert that value and press Calculate, and voila, you've started the PT Manager. The first number displayed inside this colored ring is how much calculated time is remaining in the cylinder based on cylinder size and predicted flow rate. The next number below the time is the predicted bottle pressure displayed in PSI. Oxygen equipment is highly regulated and calibrated, and so this predicted pressure display should remain within a certain PSI range. This blue-colored ring indicates that there is more than 30 minutes of gas remaining in this system. When less than 30 minutes is left, the ring will change to yellow, and when the system has less than 15 minutes of gas remaining, the color will change to red, alerting the user they're almost out of oxygen. The green reset button will clear all entries and start the program over. I know this is a lot of information to remember, so we've provided a small index icon in the lower right corner of the app with a full set of directions. Touching the icon will open and close the PT Manager instructions. One last item to cover and then we're done. Should the actual PSI on the oxygen cylinder and the predicted PT Manager PSI begin to diverge at any point, the user can update the PSI with a new value. The program will then restart the time calculation and also recalculate a new flow rate using internal algorithms designed by ADS. The new flow rate will appear in a red font to the right of the original flow rate, and another information icon will appear providing additional information. Well, that's it for today's PT Manager tutorial. I hope you find this informative as well as a useful tool to help you better understand how to manage your pressure applications using time instead of PSI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on another Aeronautical Data Systems tutorial in the near future.